In the ever-evolving landscape of modern travel, a new machine rises to redefine what it means to journey solo. Introducing the 2025 Travel EZT 250 Camper Tricycle, a fusion of freedom, function, and futuristic design. Built with the spirit of adventure and the soul of sustainability, the T250 is not just a trike. It's a compact, self-contained micro RV designed for those who crave the open road without the bulk of traditional campers. It's more than transportation, it's a minimalist lifestyle on three wheels. At the heart of the T250 is a robust electric hybrid powertrain, capable of delivering whisper-quiet torque and impressive range. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or venturing deep into scenic routes, the T250 adapts effortlessly. Its regenerative braking system, solar-assisted charging panels, and eco-efficiency make it a go-to for conscious travelers looking to lower their carbon footprint. The exterior design turns heads. Angular yet aerodynamic, with a matte finish body that resists dust and reflects sunlight, the T250 silhouette is compact enough for city parking, yet bold enough to stand out in any campground. LED strip lighting outlines its curves, and the distinctive three-wheel stance gives it unmatched stability and maneuverability, even on uneven terrains. Step into the rear camper module, and the real magic begins. The space, though small, is brilliantly designed. Foldable furnishings, hidden storage compartments, and modular panels allow the living area to transform as needed, bed by night, lounge by day. The ambient lighting, soft touch materials, and panoramic ceiling window make even the smallest moments feel luxurious. A compact kitchenette includes a fold-out induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and a smart water system with a collapsible sink. The camper's air filtration and climate control ensure comfort in all seasons, while the integrated battery pack powers your devices and essentials for days off-grid. From dawn coffee rituals to midnight stargazing, the T250 supports every part of your journey. Smart technology is built into every inch. A central touchscreen control panel manages lighting, temperature, solar input, and security systems. Connect via app, and you can remotely monitor or adjust the camper's settings. Want to pre-cool your interior before arriving? Done. Check battery life and location from a trailhead cafe. No problem. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The T250 includes adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, a 360-degree camera system, and lane assist, features rarely seen on micro campers, but essential for modern nomads navigating unpredictable roads. Customization is part of the T250 DNA. Choose from a palette of earth-toned exteriors, interior themes ranging from Scandinavian minimalism to rugged adventure, and a selection of upgrade kits. Solar boosts, off-road suspension, bike racks, or even a compact drone launch pad for scenic aerial footage. But perhaps the most impressive part of the Travel EZT 250 isn't its technology or style. It's the freedom it gives back to travelers. No need for oversized RVs or monthly campground fees. The T250 lets you park, rest, and explore wherever your heart leads. Urban